and she is squaring off with a tiny little Burger King bobblehead. Let's just say it's not her favorite. It's gone. Are you happy now? Yeah, good girl. Oh no. Oh no. She found it. This is what she does when it's out. What are you gonna do? It's not nice. What's it doing? It's just sitting there. See? It's not gonna hurt you. But it has bubbles. Wait, you don't like it? It's not your friend? What are you gonna do to it? Do you want Mommy to put it away? You want me to take it away? Make it safe? Yeah? Okay. Don't worry. I got it. It's okay. It's okay. But what if I put it down? See, it just doesn't listen, does it? It's gonna get you. And it's gonna bobble its head. You tell it. You tell it. It's in your space and it needs to go. Huh. Alright, Mommy will put it away. I'll put it away. And it won't do anything. See? Are you gonna get it? We'll put it up on the shelf. See? Oh God. Is that better? Is that better? You're such a cutie pie. Tell Daddy you love him.